Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify to N8N. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin to gather some key information. Then, we'll move into N8N to configure the Shopify node. This process will enable seamless automation between your Shopify store and other applications, helping you streamline various tasks. We'll cover each step clearly, ensuring you can follow along easily. To begin, log into your Shopify admin and navigate to Apps and Sales Channels, then Develop Apps. Here, you will create a new private app, giving it a descriptive name like N8N Integration. It's crucial to configure the admin API scopes, granting only the necessary permissions for your intended N8N workflows. Once created, you can install the app and securely copy your admin API access token and API secret key, as these are vital for N8N. Now, open your N8N instance and create a new workflow. Click the plus button to add your first node and search for Shopify. Select the Shopify node and then choose Create New Credential in the Authentication section. You'll need to input your Shopify store's subdomain, along with the API access token and secret key you obtained earlier. Once connected, you can configure the node to act as a trigger for events like new orders, or as an action to create or update products. After setting up your Shopify node, it's essential to test the workflow to confirm everything is working as expected. You can execute the node to see if it successfully retrieves or sends data to Shopify. For more dynamic automations, consider using Shopify webhooks to instantly trigger your N8N workflows when specific events occur in your store. This allows for real-time data synchronization and powerful, automated responses. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.